Hello everyone. Rakshabandhan is near, right? So, what all you are planning for gifting your brothers? So, I like to gift specially handmade something. I don't buy any sweets from outside. So this time I'm making a special, different, tasty bites. Yes, it's a date bite, so it's very tasty. I have for this only three ingredients required. Yes, only three ingredients, and it's very easy to make. Let's see how to make this. First, you have to de-seeds all the dates. So I have taken here soft dates. So mine is like very soft, so that I'm carefully removing the seeds out from the dates. Okay, but now you have to keep ready all the dates, remove the seeds and keep it ready. And what you have to take is one more ingredient is cashews you have to soak overnight also, like 3 to 4 hours is also fine. So remove the water and let it dry a little bit, then you grate it. So you have to grate this. And one more ingredient is the coconut gola, dry coconut gola. So here, if you want to ship the courier this gift, this sweet, to other place, then it might spoil because it's soaked one. So what you can do is that time you can use that roasted cashews, and same procedure, use the same procedure. Instead of soaked one, you have to roast it. So that's it, like three ingredients. You can grate this finely. Dry coconut gula giri, that one also we have to grate it. Okay, so I have kept ready that dry coconut. See, the same size, make it smaller, grate, okay, not bigger one, and just mix it. That's it. Only three ingredient, and the taste is awesome. You just try and see how the taste. It will beat all the sweets where whatever you are buying from outside, right? You try and see yourself. Okay, for this you can make this one as a secret thing. You can just cover full thing, and you can give that one also, or else you can just leave it open and give that also. See, I'm just covering this. People won't be knowing what is that inside, and they think that is a full date, right? After eating they will get to know. So that also you can do, or else just keep it open. Okay, that's it. Very easy, right? How much time it takes? Very less time. So you can make this special sweet for your Rakshabandhan. Okay. See, without any much effort, we have done this beautiful sweet, and it's very easy and very delicious, yummy. So, are you guys making this one, right? No need to buy any sweets from outside. You can make it in your home. It's very easy without any effort. Just you have to buy three ingredients. Two is filling, cashew, and coconut, dry coconut, and outside it's a dates. So buy a good dates. So I have done this, and I have made even the rakis and special gift for my brother. I always recommend making something by myself instead of buying any gift from outside also. Yeah, like this is the occasion, right? We remember them, and we will give something, right? Then I always do like this. Instead of buying any gift from outside, we can make something. So yeah, see, I'm making these paintings, and I'm sending this to my brothers. So I have made another sweet, some more sweets for courier. And what I said, like instead of soaking the cashews, I roasted that, and I couriered that. It will be very nice. It will stay for 2 to 3 days or 4 days also. I think 1 week also it will come. You can just try. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do something special. Make your brothers feel like he's special for you. So yeah, do this different thing and let me know in the comment did you like it or not. So what you made for your brother, what different thing you made this time, so your brother felt very unique or special. So let me know in the comment. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Namaste.